Hi, this is Michael from One-Stop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Write It Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store, and in here type in Write Japanese. Here it is. And before we open this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So first, writing recognition app for Japanese kana. Learn how to read and write 100 plus kana. Never forget anything with customizable tests. Challenge yourself by earning all the stars, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, again, I just want to let you know that Write It Japanese is the first writing recognition app for Japanese kana. So the benefits of using this application: a hassle-free writing, never get stuck or have to go back and reference how to write a character. You practice writing with guides before you testing yourself, making learning extremely fast and stress-free, and so on. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is, Write It Japanese. So I also want to point out that this app is really amazing, but make no mistake, this app is for more than just writing the hiragana and katakana. It also teaches you to pronounce them, just as if you were taking a school course to learn them. So I prefer having a pen and pencil so that you can practice as well. So as you can see, hiragana 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up until hiragana. For the hiragana, it's going to be 15. Then katakana 14. So you can start. This is the very basic writing system. So there, a, I, U, E, O. So you can test it. A, I, U, E, O. Then in here, in the blank space, you have to write it. If you still remember, it's going to be like that. There. Then you can tap to advance. U. There. E. Okay. That's E. So you can practice writing in this application. So E, just like that, advance, E, and so on. I already know that it's basic, so I already know the hiragana and katakana, so I'm not going to continue or finish the lessons. So this is actually good for beginner level. If you wanna learn Japanese, then start from here. Start from learning hiragana and katakana. So if you go to settings, you will have this option to remove the ads there. Though removing the ads requires you to purchase the pro version. Then audio only, use audio as a hint. Audio enabled, so it's already enabled. So there's nothing much in here. And actually, let's try to review. So there. Reading, writing, kana, hiragana, katakana. You can unlock this feature by purchasing the pro version. So there, you have to purchase it first before you can unlock it. Then progress tab is where you can see all of your progress. So all of the lessons will be shown up here. So right now it doesn't have any information yet, since this is the first time I installed this app. So just continue learning with the Japanese if you're really into Japanese. So it's ta, da, chi, tsu, te. So you can practice there. Practice writing, and then write on your own there. So just like that, and there. So it's really easy to use. So this is really good for beginner level, and for more advanced, then watch my other videos for kanji. If you're already good with the basics, then kanji is for you. So since I already know the stuff, I'm not going to finish it, and I will recommend this to those who want to learn Japanese. If you're planning to go to Japan for a trip, visit some relatives, then this is for you. So before we wrap up, I just wanna let you know the benefits of having this app. So bite-sized lessons allows you to learn conveniently, even if you only have a few minutes. Write anywhere, no longer be restricted to writing only when you have paper and a pen, because you can practice it like that. So it's really amazing. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.